दूध मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे, मेजर समीर हिंदुस्तान की तरफ देखा तो चीर देंगे. So I forgot I'm Darshan. I'm Darshan and I'm also from India. So and I'm actor. Playing the negative character, I don't think in that way. Like my character is doing something wrong. I always think my character is doing the right thing. I used to do boxing in Delhi and I have played national. I have won many medals. This time I got a chance to perform in this film. Playing boxing well or not. You will judge and let me know.
So yeah, talking about Family Man, first of all, a huge congratulations for the second season of Family Man. And Darshan, I must say, frankly, there's this newfound actor in you with your last OTT outings. I mean, you were always an excellent performer, but I must say, after watching you in Family Man, trust me, you were so incredible in making people hate you for that role. They say now you act so
Yes.
well, people start hating your character. So what are
Yes.
people telling you now?
Actually, it's mixed. There are people, the film fraternity, and fans. They're one portion. They are saying, you are looking so hot. You're looking so good. You perform so well.
Yeah.
So I'm getting appreciation for my looks, for my acting and everything, attitude. They said you are so perfect and you looks like Major Samir so good. And there are the other fans who are saying slogans like, Hindustan Zindabad, Major Samir Murdabad. दूध दूध मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे, मेजर समीर हिंदुस्तान की तरफ देखा तो चीर देंगे. सो एंड दुनिया भर की गालियां, दुनिया भर के वो उनको लग रहा है कि मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ, मैं मेजर समीर. Yeah. So they forgot I'm Darshan. I'm Darshan and I'm also from India. So and I'm actor. I'm just playing the character. So yeah, but I take that as a compliment because people forget the actor is performing this part and they are thinking that Major Samir who's plotting everything against India. So yeah, it's a good time for me and I'm enjoying it. We are getting great response for our show and we are getting great response for each and every character. People are loving it and they are shouting their love and the entire team is that they are flying high.
So it's also being said that this is the first time a second season has worked really well than the first one. So did you guys anticipate it or what were your thoughts when you were reading the script?
Actually, when first season's released, we were in London that time.
Okay.
We started shooting for season 2.
Okay.
And we were expecting that that first one will be received well, and that's what happened. People liked it. They were talking about that. They just loved the first season. But after that, when we were reading the second season, I knew it because it was in a larger scale, and in second season especially there is lots of action in this. And so we were expecting that people will like it, but in this way, we never expected. This is something else. I think we are blessed. God is very kind because this kind of love we are getting. So yeah, this is amazing. This is surprise for all of us.
That's nice. That's good to hear. So I really want to know, how do you choose your scripts and approach a role?
Actually, I just spoke. First, I read the script whenever I get a chance. So first, after reading the script, I see that is character talking to me or is character talking to the audience, and what is it doing? And then I see that the particular character has some meat in this, or what is he doing? Is he contributing in the that script or not? So that's the most important thing for me. And once I feel like that I like, if I like the script or if I like the character, then I go ahead. So that's very important for me. Yeah.
So Darshan, throughout your years in showbiz, it's really interesting to see the characters that you have picked up and the choices that you have made. Each of them are distinctive and they have created a significant part of yourself on the show. So are you a lot clear in your head when it comes to rejecting a lot of stuff and a lot of scripts right now?
Yeah, right from when I was doing theater, I was part of Mr. Nasuddin Shah. Still, I'm doing a theater with him, Motley Group. So after watching performances, people used to approach me, for roles or something. But I was quite clear, like what I want to do, or in my, in films or theater or in TV also, especially. So I'm quite choosy because I want to do something different all the time. I get bored if I'm repeating myself again and again, and I think the audience also will feel the same. So I just avoid to do that, and I want to create, something. The character has to be something magical, and there has to be, human thing in that, and people should relate to that, and it has to be true. So that is always my focus, and that's why I love to work hard on each and every character.
But again, at the same time, except for Mary Kom, you have played a range of gray and negative characters. Even though they were distinct, most of them were negative. So, do you often find yourself being typecast that way?
No, I don't think so in that way, because first thing, I played mixed characters. I first my first movie was Mary Kom. Second was Understand, where I played negative character. The third was Sarabjit, where I played such a positive character, Avesh Sheikh, who's from Pakistan, who helps Aishwarya Bachchan and Randeep Hooda. So I played that, and then I did another films. And then right now, if you see the Ashram, I played the police inspector, Ujagar Singh, who's very famous. And touchwood, I got a great response from for that particular role. And Avrod, I played the major Ronak Gautam. So it's like mixing myself in. I try to do different kind of roles, not only negative, but especially as an actor, when I'm performing or I'm doing some role, I don't think in that way. When I'm playing the negative character, if you're talking about negative, if I'm playing that negative character, I don't think in that way, like my character is doing something wrong. I always think my character is doing the right thing. From I can judge him as Darshan from the Darshan's moral compass. Like, this character is bad, he's evil. Like, if you're talking about Major Samir, he's very dangerous, he's not good guy. But while performing, I'm convinced, like, this I want to manipulate India and Pakistan and try to create some kind of situation. So they fight each other, and there has to be a war, and then I'll take a benefit of that. So I'm thinking in that way. So as an actor, I have to be convinced while playing that character, and with the truth of that, so then I can play convincingly. So I always focus on that. I never think I'm playing negative, positive, or I'm doing some comedy or something. I try to be true to the character.
So you have explored all fields of entertainment, be it theater, television, movies, OTT. So what has been your biggest takeaway?
As an actor, I think we have to be true. Just like I just said, I have to be true to the character, and we have to be, while performing, we have to be true to ourselves, because if audience is not judging, our subconscious is judging everything. The subconscious know you are true or not. Actors always get this thing, like, when he's performing, he get to know is true or not. So yeah, that's my thing. Otherwise, I enjoy doing theater and TV, even films, OTT platform. So like, you can say, like, films, if it's like film is a community experience. If people go to watch the films, they watch with the lots of people, and if they like the film, they talk about that, and then your film is a hit, more footfalls, thanks to your social media, then you get more films, more work. Same with the OTT platform.
True.
Once people like your character, like the show, then season 3, season 4, then you get more work. So we have to really work hard for each and every character. So that's what I learned from all the platforms. I should work hard. I should not take anything lightly, and that's it.
So what are the kind of challenges and obstacles you face now?
Right now, I'm enjoying everything, because thanks to the OTT platform, it has opened up a new horizon for not for only for actors, but for technicians, directors, producers, writer, for everyone. Because it has made entertainment very accessible to the people. Now they are watching all international content, and
That's true.
it has made our filmmakers very cautious about what they are making. Now they have to make something which is on par with international content. So yeah, it has made a lot of good in terms of quality of work also. So like now OTT platform is celebrating real talent. This is a real good time for all the creators who want to create something new and different. So yeah, I'm enjoying right now every moment. So and I'm getting films offers also and everything. So yeah, it's a good time for good actors.
I'm really excited to see you in Tufan. First Maricom and then Tufan, and both had boxing as a major element. So you seem to have a knack of boxing.
Yes. I used to do boxing in Delhi, and I have played national. I have won many medals. So this time I got a chance to perform in this film. So you will see if I'm playing boxing well or not. You will judge and let me know. So in Maricom I was playing footballer, honor. So I did not do boxing. I was only supporting Priyanka, my wife. So in this, I'm playing because we were trained by Daryl Foster, who has trained 8 World Pro champions, and right now he's Will Smith's personal trainer, and it was rigorous training. We used to do every day, like 7 o'clock to 3 p.m. Without getting a break. So, but I had a great time. And we put our heart and soul in this film, and the kind of response we got for teaser, we are very positive. Like people will love the film. So let's see. If you like the film, nothing like that, then हमारी सारी मेहनत सफल हो जाएगी.
Been around in this industry, and you have been part of really prolific movies. But it took a lot of while to get this recognition on your way. So how did you manage to stay patient all this while?
I was focused right from the beginning. I knew it. If I'm not getting work, so I should work on myself. That's very important as an actor, because like other professionals, actor has to do lots of riyas to hone his skills. You cannot fake the emotion. You have to stay under the skin of the character for a long time, and it's like while before going in front of the camera, it's like every day working on yourself is like doing net practice like cricketers do. And when you get a chance for, especially for auditions or film, or you're working in films or anywhere, so like that's like you are playing a match. You have to hit 6 on the first ball only, because it's like right now especially there are hardly few good casting directors who are casting for all the films, for all the OTT platforms. So especially for newcomers I'm talking about right now, I don't have to do auditions, luckily. So touch wood, I get offered directly. So but you have to be very sharp, and you have to be very talented to get, otherwise you will be get judged very easily. So that's, I knew in right from the beginning. So I was working really hard in theater, because I joined Neena Gupta ji's and Rajendra Gupta ji's theater group called Sahaj, and I performed with them all over the world. And then I joined Naseeruddin Shah sir's Motley group, and I learned a lot from him. So I knew it. If I'm not, doing anything, if I'm not in front of the camera, at least I'll work on myself. That's the main thing. And that's very important for everyone. So that was the key for me to, I was patient, and I knew it, like sooner or later, if I'm talented, I will get work, and people will like my work.
So apart from Tufan, where else can we see you next?
Right now, thanks to the Ashram received so well, more than 1 billion views. And after that, my life turned like 360 degree, जैसे कि उजागर सिंह का dialogue था मेरे character का. Then I did 2 films as a lead. One for Z Studio, the other one is for a T series. It's a name they haven't finalized yet, but it's called Production Number 109. I'm playing parallel lead with Madhavan. Okay. And it's a suspense thriller. It's amazing, and I had a great time shooting that. So I have shot 2 films. Right now we'll start Family Man season 2 or chapter 3, whatever you call it. So yeah, we will start shooting that, and then Tufan is releasing soon. So yeah, so good time for me, and I'm fingers crossed.